as you can see, viewers, I'm trading euro dollar. Since I was putting the last video in, the market spiked. I should have been watching this. I should have got my shorts on here. Fabulous prices to short out there in the market going sideways. Missed opportunity there. Caught napping. Such is the nature of being a YouTuber and being distracted while I should have been working. Right, and we didn't even have a stop loss on. Bit sinful. Put that on the take profit. It's a bit optimistic. $98.94. What am I doing? Right, let's get a short on there. Let's get another one on there. I'm putting things in the wrong place. Get one on there. Get one on 101. Right. Is it going to pull back? Because it's certainly rising. It certainly wants to go, doesn't it? Multiple. Well, if we're going to go there, we might as well have this. And 98, 94. No, they're all on. In fact, they're a bit optimistic. They probably want to be on about there. 96. Apart from that one, which needs to be 94. Right, what's it doing? We got the open positions, we've got the stop loss on, we've got the take profit on. Is this the beginning of a new trend? Right, and I'm tempted to say it's still going a bit sideways, but it might still. Can you see, look, it's got above 9,900, now it's below it. So some buyers have tried to force it through. 11 o'clock, that's why. They spiked through. That was a spike before 11, that was a spike at 11. We sold into the spike. Should have probably got another one on it. 99.03. God, if we could have got one on, we'd have got 99.02. We'd be closing that out now. 3 pips. So coming back on side, been in the trade a couple of minutes. See if I can get myself comfortable in my chair. You will find that you need to get a very good quality chair for trading because you're going to be sitting in it for hours. It's just this one here that we put on at what? 95.1. That is the one that we're going to struggle to get out of. That's on at the bottom of the market. We might have to close that out when the others come good and take the loss on it. You don't. The nature of trading is you don't get every single trade right by a long way. But so if we took a loss on that, that'd be 1 loss, 4 profits. It's not a bad ratio. And if we got the other short on at 99.02, it'd have been 1 loss and 5 profits. But at the moment, we haven't got any profits. Yeah, that one's dragging us down. Still, it looked like a good trade at the time. It wasn't. But that would have been a fabulous short. Bang, in profits. 1 minute later. You know, you could have closed, you could have shorted it up round here, near the zeros, so you'd have got 99 maybe. Down here 95, you'd have got 96. 3 pips out of it, bang, in a minute. Wait for it to come back up, bang, it has. Get your shorts on. You'd have been putting them on there, and you could have taken them there. And then maybe your next set of shorts would have started about here, 9900. But let's see what happens. This is just beginning to look like it's turning up, so I'd like to be out of these soon. I don't need to watch IGTV live, thank you very much. What I need is for this to come back on side. I'm getting possible, but it's just ranging sideways. There we go. Overall we're in profits, not a lot but a bit. If we can get this back down below the trend line and trending lower again, I'll be happy. Overall we're up about 1% on the account today now. It's not bad for a morning's work. It's not enough, but it's a good start. What I need to do is add to it with this. Yeah, market's just going sideways. I just need, at least it's below 99.00. And I would have thought sooner or later we're going to start seeing American participants coming to the market, bringing liquidity in, bringing trading in, and the market is going to start changing. Early birds in New York, you know, out there looking to scalp and looking to get early profits. It's not what we want. Yeah, I'm just worrying this is beginning to trend upwards from where it was. So we could do a nice little sell-off, come out of them, look for the next trade. Coming up to 9900s again. We're £5 out of the money at the moment. Around about $7. What are you doing, market? What are you doing? Yeah, it's just going sideways. So we're in at the wrong, well, that's the wrong price to be in at. Tempted into the market at the bottom of it. Not a good trade. And that's the one that's probably stopping me get out of these, because I could have come out of all of those there. That's the one that's causing the trouble. This one here, short at 95. You know, it's 5-6 pips out the money. Just bumbling along sideways. So this is the reality of trading and scalping. You know, sometimes you can be in them quick, sometimes you're not quick enough. And now I'm just caught slightly offside. It's just not quite where I need it to be. Oh dear. See, this is just gradually lifting, which is not what I like. Right, we've got another one on there. Another one on there. See, it's lifting, it's just what we don't need. 99.14 is it? So average price is just below 99.00. And we got 7 trades open. But what I don't like is that's lifted. You know, is this the start of a new trend after 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock some buyers are coming. It's had a pullback. Oh, it was the highest we sold at 92. One on at 93. Coming up to 94. What's this? 9896. 9896. In it goes. 9900's our average price. Right. Is this having a pullback now? Beginning. does make you wonder whether I should sell into this pullback. Mind you, it's not below this trend line yet. These are beginning to show below it, but yeah, now it's going sideways. So is that up, pullback before it goes up again? Is that all the pullback it's got? 2 pips. Right, that's going to go to 95 in a minute, 99.05. When it does, we'll have a short one. The joys and patience of trading. Just missed that. There we go. It's coming up again. Look at that. It's 99.05. We'll have another short on it. Bang. 14, 98.96, 98.96. Right, if these show profits on the pullback, we might take them off and see if we can get them back on again as it's climbing. You see, yeah, we're in an uptrend there. The last thing we need. I mean, before it has plateaued at this before. Oh, here we go. $99.05 is our average. If these go, I don't know, £2 in profit or something, 2, 3, 4, I'll be wondering about taking them off the table and looking to short again. See, that's all that's pulled back before 2 pips. So market, where are you going? It's coming down. Now then, is it going to bounce off here? Quite possibly. So should we take some of these off the market? That was £1.60 a minute ago. We should have probably had. Well, I missed that one. That was a nice scalp. Now then, is this now beginning to turn? Is that what it's managed, or is it going to bounce off this line? And I rather suspect it might bounce off here and go higher, which would have meant that was a good close. 91.4, yeah, 10 pips. It shows you how difficult it is to catch these right on the best prices. They look like you can do it on the chart, but the reality is they're hard to catch. And you can see it keeps coming back to this trend line and bouncing off it. So that £1.60 we could have had back there was a good tasty profit, because we could have put the short back on there. A game of patience. Here we go. Now, this is forming, trending lower. Nicely lower. £5, we'll have that. We'll have the lot in the bank. Right, I'd expect a pullback from here possibly. Sooner or later we're going to get a pullback. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. Not quite the scalp I'd intended it to be, but profits in the bank. Please give me a like, please subscribe.